How to become a successful program manager. Recently, I got a call from a project manager who is now exploring a program management profile, and he wanted to seek my advice and my guidance that how can he become a successful program manager. Well, I told him a successful program manager has diverse set of skills, traits, and experiences um, to lead and manage programs successfully. Though there is no single formula for becoming a successful program manager, but there are few qualities and characteristics which can make him a successful program manager. The first quality is the strategic thinking, or he should have the strategy alignment domain experience. Now, see, during the complex program initiative, there are lot of strategic changes that will be driven from the program sponsor, from the steering committee, and unless the program manager does not have the strategic mindset, does not have the strategic thinking, and unless he's not able to align the change to the organization strategy and objective, he will not able to maximize the program contribution to the organization success. So the strategic mindset, the strategy alignment, domain experience, he must understand um, the business need of that particular program. He must able to define the successful program criteria, the strategy alignment, scoring. These are the various strategic experiences he must have. The second quality which I feel is the program manager must have is he should be very flexible, very adaptable in his program management approach. See, in today's program environment, where we are seeing the bargaining power of our supplier, customers, which are increasing very rapidly, and you know also there are a lot of substitute of products, there are alternative solution, technology disruption, and unless this program manager is not very flexible, not adaptable to changing technology, changing customer expectations, or maybe even suppliers demand, if he's not flexible, if he's not adaptable to these things, then it's going to be a challenge for him to successfully deliver the program outcome and ultimately the benefits. The third quality which I feel is the technical expertise. Though the technical skill set is not necessary or mandatory, but if the program manager understand the technicalities of the domain in which he is managing the program, then it's going to be a lot easy for him to manage the program and day over. See, especially in pharma domain, IT domain, the engineering domain, the technical domain knowledge is very important, and you know that technical expertise will surely help him to align the program and lead the program successfully. So technical expertise going to be one of the qualities for a successful program management. Another thing is organizational skills. I feel that um, a program is a large endeavor where the lot of projects, subsidiary program, and other program activities he has to manage. And there are resource prioritization, there is risk prioritization, there is issues prioritization, there are stakeholder expectations prioritization. Unless the program manager does not have these organizational skills, unless he's not able to organize and prioritize these various program activities it going to be challenging. So organizational skills is definitely important skills that a program manager must have to lead and manage programs successfully. Another important skills or qualities which I personally believe is the emotional intelligence. The program manager must able to control his own emotions, the team's emotions, the stakeholder emotions. That's very, very important. See, the program team, in many a time I have seen they personally heavily invest into program, and there could be reason that some of the projects which are program component may be terminated because they do not contribute to the overall program success. And sometimes if the team is emotionally invested and connected to these projects within a program, then if these projects are terminated, maybe their motivation will go down, maybe their energy will go down, maybe the program manager must able to keep the the project team emotionally he should able to manage those emotions successfully. Otherwise there will be a lot of challenges he has to face in delivering the program benefits. And also his own emotions, he must understand that the program is for organization success. He must understand that various stakeholder has different expectations. They may not think a program the same way how he have invested into the program personally. So he has to control such emotions. So emotional intelligence, the empathy with different stakeholder, these are the important qualities I feel he must champion with. And there are many more qualities, many more skill set definitely will make him successful. But these are the few things which I believe that a minimum qualities which a program manager must have. Um, yeah, friends, if you have come across any specific qualities or characteristics that can make the program manager a successful one, then please do share with us, and let's build this program community very, a robust community, a very experienced community. And I also told this person that be part of pursue the PgMP, the program management professional certification, because it's a global standards, and a lot of these program management skills such as and experiences he may able to learn and able to develop through this certification journey. That's all, friends, I have in this short video. I thought of sharing this with all of you. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Please take care, and thank you very much.